Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the updated process of adding a member to your group on Instagram. Whether you're planning an event or just want to keep in touch with friends, adding someone new to your group is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing your messages and groups. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages where all your conversations are stored. Once you're in the messages section, find and open the group chat you want to add a member to. This is where all the magic happens. After you've opened the group chat, look for the info icon at the top of the screen. This icon usually looks like an eye in a circle and will lead you to the group settings. Now that you're in the group settings, it's time to click on Add. This option allows you to invite new members into your chat. A search bar will appear, prompting you to enter the name of the person you want to add. Type in the new member's name or username. As you type, Instagram will suggest matching accounts, making it easier for you to find the right person. Once you've found them, simply click on their name. Finally, after selecting the new member, tap on Done to confirm your addition, and just like that, you've successfully added a new member to your Instagram group. Remember, adding someone new can enhance your group discussions and make your chats even more engaging. So don't hesitate to bring in fresh perspectives. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to add a member to a group on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates and tips. Happy chatting!